Hello, I am Mrs. Vaishali Samant. I invite you all to Saraswati tutorials. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe it and press bell icon also. Here I am discussing last 17 years C.E.T maths papers. It will be useful for other board peoples and JEE main students also. Let R be the relation of all human beings defined as R is set of all AB where A is taller than B. Then R is what? A cannot be taller than A, so it is not reflexive. If A is taller than B, then B cannot be taller than A, so it is not symmetric. If A is taller than B and B is taller than C, then of course A is taller than C, therefore it is transitive, not symmetric. It is first round problem, we can solve it easily. This is from paper. F and G are to R be defined differentiable function. These values are given. We have to find out this. F composition G operated on X dash of this. It is F composition G, F of Gx. So derivative will be, it is a composite function f dash gx into g dash x. If I'll put x equals to 0, g0 is 2. So it will be 2. And g dash 0 is minus 1. But f dash 2 is 4. So 4 into minus 1, answer is minus 4 for this problem. This is your correct answer. Fx is defined as modulus of x where f is continuous differentiable. We have to see. We have proved it already. Fx is equals to, see here, fx is equals to mod x means fx is equals to x if x is greater than or equals to 0 and minus if x is less than or equals to 0. So limit x tends to 0 of fx. If you will take both sides, it will be 0 for x is greater than or equals to 0 and less than 0 also. Sorry, less than 0 also. So it is continuous. It is continuous. But derivative, if I will find out, f dash x will become 1 here, and if x is greater than 0 or equals to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0. Derivatives of this I am taking, and these two are different. So it is not differentiable. This is very standard example. I have done it many times. You will have to solve it. So here this will be, it is continuous for all x but not differentiable at some points x from R. Means it is not continuous. It is not differentiable at 0. It is continuous everywhere. Mod functions are continuous everywhere. They are not differentiable. Similar problem, same paper it is asked, the set of all points where this is not continuous. So here, you know, modulus functions are always continuous functions. So this is continuous at 0, this is continuous at 1 also. The dangerous points are 0 and 1, so they are continuous. Therefore, the set of all points where it is not continuous is empty set. Now here I will take shortcut method to find out dy by dx for implicit function. This is implicit function. How we are finding derivative? Our usual method. 2x, this is product function, x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of this plus 2y dy by dx. If I will collect dy by dx, terms contain dy by dx, you will get 2x plus y, this side with negative sign, and divided by coefficients of dy by dx, it will be x plus 2y. Now this is our answer by this method. Shortcut method is dy by dx is derivative minus sign is there, derivative with respect to x. X is down now, so you have to write up here. Remember this, derivative with respect to x keeping y as constant. Means we take y as a constant number and derivative with respect to x divided by derivative of y with respect to x is constant, where x is constant. Now see, for this function, derivative with respect to x, it will be 2x, and derivative with respect to x, y is a constant. So derivative of x is 1, y remains same. Divided by derivative with respect to y, this will be 0. Derivative with respect to y will be x, and here it will be 2y. Same answer you got. Similarly, if this is lengthy problem is there, if you want to find out derivative, minus derivative with respect to x, it will be 2x. It will be 2y. Derivative of this will become 0. Derivative of this will become 6. Y is constant. Divided by, remember, minus sign, and here derivative with respect to x, here derivative with respect to y. So derivative with respect to y, this will be 0. Derivative with respect to y, this will be 2x. This will be 2y. It is 0. It is 8. So here this will be your answer. Instead of finding like this, it is the shortcut method for this. I'll solve some problems from linear programming problems, LPP problems from question papers. For this example, see here, this example, which answer is correct. I am not wasting time in reading. You can read and you can understand. So first, this is equals to 8, we will have to draw diagram. And x, this is equals to 15, we will have to draw diagram. For this 0, 0 origin doesn't satisfy this. So we want non-origin side. So this is non-origin side. Here 0, 0 satisfies this. So it is origin side we want. So common portion for this and this, there is no common portion for this and this. Therefore answer is there is no feasible region. This is your correct answer. A local shopkeeper sells cakes and chips in party packs. 2 packs are there. The first one with 2 pieces of cakes and 3 packets of chips costing 70 rupees. Second one with 3 pieces of cakes and 2 packets of chips costing 80 rupees. For your party, you need at least 50 pieces of cakes and no more than 40 packets of chips. If you wish to spend as less as possible, the LPP you need to solve is to have X packs of the first type and Y packs of the second type, where which one is correct, LPP. So first type X and second type Y. In first type, you are having cake, you are having 2x. In second time, you are having cakes 3y. Here chips, you are having 3x in first type, and second type you are having this. We want minimum 50 cakes. So it will be greater than or equals to 50. And we want maximum 40 chips packets. So this plus this will be less than or equals to 40. So your answer is this. It is time consuming. Last, if you get time, you write, otherwise you tick mark. See here it is, it takes time. Maximum value of z is this. Then what is the maximum value? So this is time consuming. You will have to draw all this by taking equals to, we will have to draw all this. So you will get feasible region like this. So your endpoints are A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And here you substitute all these values. You will get here z, and which is the maximum z you will get here. So maximum you will get at 0, 2. And at 0, 2, value of this will become 8, and therefore maximum value is 8 here. So I will stop here now, and next time I will take some more problems.